Assalamu alaikum friends. So in this video, I have taken my old ATM box. You can take any box that is of this shape. Then I covered it very well with newspaper to make it sturdy. After that, I painted it black. You can also use black paper or black glitter paper on it. Then I took a white paper here and wrote the amount on it. You can also make this or skip it, but if you make it, this saving box will not only give a new look, but also help you easily count your amount. Now I am making the Kaaba's door with gold foil here. And with this, our aesthetic Umrah saving box is ready.